How to redeem codes in Toilet Tower Defense. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem codes in Toilet Tower Defense. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Follow these quick steps. The Toilet Tower Defense codes below can be used to get free coins and gems used to pull new units like the Cuckoo Clockman and, if you are lucky, the Large Clockman or Chief Clockman. Here is how to use new Toilet Tower Defense codes in Roblox. First, launch Toilet Tower Defense. Next, select the chat icon at the top of your screen and further type in /redeem, then a space, and then enter the code. Now, send the message. You'll get the reward if Toilet Tower Defense code was entered correctly. Check back often for new codes. So, this is how you can redeem codes in Toilet Tower Defense. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.